Hey, what's up guys? Whousewe reached out to me and sent me solar lights for free to do an honest review. They didn't pay me for this review. So these are pathway lights that you place outside. They are solar powered. They have their own internal battery, so you just place them pretty much wherever you want. So as long as there's enough sunlight, it charges during the day and automatically turns on at night. And then you have a few different options for that in terms of lighting. So this is the PG004A model and it comes in a 6-pack. I will unbox these, we'll pop them outside, and I'll show you guys what they look like at night. And they also sent me their other model, which is the PG003A model, which has a slightly different look. It comes in an 8-pack and the same type of deal. And these are waterproof, so you can see that in the box right here. Waterproof, heat resistant, frost resistant, and they come with a 12-month warranty. And the same is true for this. Alright, let's open these up, see what's inside. So you get these bottom pieces. This is a 6-pack, so you will get 6 of them. So I'll take out one, show you guys what it looks like. There's 2 more here and 3 more of the same exact thing here. So this is what this piece looks like. And once I connect it all, it will all make sense. And then it comes in a 6-pack of the part that looks like the sharper piece. That's the part that goes into the ground. So this is most likely, so you just basically pick some dirt, push this in, you're good to go. 5 more here. And this is probably the pole for the lights. Almost looks like a magic wand. So yeah, there's 5 more here, so 6 total. You have your says warm reminder, fragile electronics, so handle with care, IP65 waterproof. Says working temperature is 20 to 60 degrees Celsius, and do not cover the solar panel when charging. So pretty much trying to say don't put it underneath the tree or something like that. The more sunlight you get, the better off you'll be. And so you get your little manual and stuff. It shows you how to connect it, which we will do. And these are the lights. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the under part. There is a LED in there that I see. This is going to give off the shape. And this is the solar panel on top. And you get a little power button. So yeah, and 5 more of these. So, and that's pretty much it for that in the box. And let's connect one to see what it looks like. About 19 inches. And from the part that should stick out from the ground, it looks like it's around 14 inches. So 14 inches from the part that sticks out, and about 19 inches. So about 5 inches that goes into the ground. Alright, so this is the 8-pack, that was the 6-pack. This is the PG003A model. So same type of thing here. Same restrictions, 20 to 60 degrees Celsius, IP65. Pretty much looks exactly the same. This is your manual here. Same type of deal. It shows you how to connect it right here. And so let's see what it comes with. So this is the part that goes into the ground. So it comes in an 8-pack of this, so I'll take one out. So this is the part that goes into the ground. It looks a little bit shorter than the other one. And then you have these other plastic pieces, okay, so you have this piece, which probably attaches to that, and you have 8 of these lights, and then you have the solar panel up on top, and it does look like there is one LED in there, and this is the shape it's going to give off. And it's pretty much the same exact thing, just 6 more inside and you're pretty much done. Side-by-side comparison. So this one, so 15.5 inches for the whole thing. And then the part that sticks out of the ground is about 11 inches. So the bottom piece, it looks like there's an on and off button here. It looks like you just need to slide it to turn it on and off. So that's how you turn this one on. The other one is just from the top, which seems a tad bit more convenient. Yeah, it doesn't look like, yeah, you just turn this one on from here. And as far as solar panel size, this other one looks bigger.
Later.
Pick your spot and just push it in. If you get to a part of the soil that it doesn't really want to budge and go in as much, I realized that you could take this out, and what I do is I got a chisel and a hammer. I don't think a chisel is the absolute right tool to use here, but it does work. So I like to loosen up the soil a bit here. So once I've loosened it, because I've taken this piece off, I could just put it in and just hammer the top gently. Not quite as hard. There it is. Same type of deal for the other style. Just, you know, take it out and just hammer it in.
6 hours later.
With the larger solar panel, you get 3 different modes. Mode 1 is the dimmest setting, which lasts up to 16 hours. Push it again for mode 2, which is the brightest setting, which lasts up to 8 hours. Push it again for a breathing pattern, which lasts up to 12 hours. Push it again and it turns off. Now in all the different modes, it always charges, so as long as there's sunlight. So even in this off state, it will charge. When it's at its dimmest setting, it will charge. So during the day, it detects that there is sunlight and it doesn't turn on. So when you leave it in this mode, this is all you need to do. Select the mode you want and just leave it on. And when it runs out of battery, it will just basically turn off. And even if it has battery, when the sunlight is out, it will turn off and it will charge. So it automatically detects day or night, depending on if the solar panel is getting a charge or not. With the smaller solar lights, there's only an on or off option, so you don't get those different modes. But it's the same type of concept where when you leave it on, at night it automatically turns on the light, and in the morning it automatically turns off the light. And these lights last anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. The other thing that's apparent when you turn on the lights is that their patterns are different. So this one has kind of like this circle dot pattern, where the other ones have this circle line pattern kind of thing. They both kind of in a weird way look like they're resembling the sun. In conclusion, I think both of these lights are pretty awesome. They're super easy to install. Literally just put them anywhere, just so as long as there's some sunlight and you're good to go. They turn on automatically, they turn off automatically. The larger ones are awesome because you get 3 different modes. Granted, I'm just going to keep it in the dimmest setting because I just want the battery to last. But they both make the garden look a lot nicer for literally 0 headaches. You put them once, set them and forget them, and you're good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.